Hello. Welcome back to school. I don't know what time it is, but it's really late. It feels like it's like midnight right now. Let me see here. I think this is part 3 of my arithmetic homework. I'm gonna roll in the paper. Let's see what time it is. Last time I started, it was like 8:40. Oh no, I only have a little bit of time left on my phone, which means I have to get this done and start deleting files. That's the time. It's 9 o'clock, or it's a little after 9. So let me do my arithmetic homework, and then I need to delete files before I can do the last one, otherwise it's not gonna let me do it. Okay. So that should work. Alright, let's get lesson 9 done. And then I can start to delete files. Capital Lesson. Make sure I spelled it Lesson. And then number sign 9. I don't know if I do a full stop or not. 1, 2. I don't think I do, so I'll erase that later. Okay. Lesson 9 I think introduces Lesson 9 introduces whatchamacallit. It has the addition sign. And I think it's .5 with a dropped F, if I remember correctly. So, yeah. And there's a lot of problems here. It says copy and complete. Okay, so this one says 8 blank 2 equal 10. Okay, let's get these written out. 8 plus, with 5 and a dropped F, plus 2 equal 10. Yeah. Okay. The next one says 5 plus 4 are 9. 5 plus, I gotta think what dropped F is. 4 equal 9. I hope I wrote that right. Yeah. Okay. The next one says 5 plus 3 are 8. 5 plus 3 are 8. You write in the 8. And you write in the full stop. And then 4 and 3 are 7. I like when they give you the answers like this. 4 and 3 are 7. Full stop. And then 2 and 8 are 10. 2 and 8 are 10. Oh, I messed up. I need to make a 0. And I made a sign that I shouldn't have made. Okay. That should be a 0. Okay, so we got 1 and not and full stop. And then you have 3 and 3 are 9. 3 and 3 are 9. Full stop. And then you have 2 and 7 are 9. 2, I think 2 and 7 are 9. Full stop. And then the next one says 2 and 6 are 8. 2 and 6 are 8. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep. And I'm kind of hungry too. I'll go back to bed after this last lesson. Or do I have another one after this? I don't know. 3 and 4 are 7. 3 and 4 are 7. Whoops, I don't know if I did that right. I think I'm starting to get really tired. Yeah, I didn't do that right. I don't know what it is, but it's not a full stop. It needs to be a full stop. There. And then the next one says 5 and 2 are 7. I'm gonna do 5 and 2. No, that's a 3. I need to erase that one. I gotta erase it better. There. Five and 2 are 7. And that's the last one on that line. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have to fill in the answer. Like the number. It has 2 plus blank equal 10. Oh my gosh, I have to think really hard. I don't want to think really hard, I'm tired. Okay. 2 plus 2 and 8 are 10. 8 equal 10. Full stop. 5 and blank are 9. 5 and 4 are 9. 5, that's a number sign. 5 and 4 equal 9. Did you know I'm doing algebra right now? This is algebra. Solve for x. Okay. So we got 4 and blank are 9. 4 and 5 are 9. Okay. 4 and 5 are 9. I feel like I have to use my knuckle. Or my joint closer to the nail. 7 and blank are 9. 7 and 3 are 9. 7, 8, 9. No, 7 and 2 are 9. 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's really late right now. 7 and 7 and what is it? 7 and 2 are 9. What is 9? Let me see. 7 plus 2 are 9. Alright, so that one is done. And then 5 and blank are 8. 5 and 3 are 8. 5 and 3 are 8. Full stop. And then the next one says 8 and blank are 10. 8 and 2 are 10. 8 and 2 are 10. Full stop. And then the next one says 3 and 7. 3 and 4 are 7. 3 and 4 are 7. What is 7? How do you make a 7? There. Yep. Okay. The next one says 3 and blank are 8. 3 and 5 are 8. 3 and 5 are 8. Then 2 and blank are 9. 2 and 7 are 9. 2 and 2 and 7 are 9. And then the next one says 2 and blank are 8. 2 and 6 are 8. 2 and 6 are 8. Full stop. And I gotta take out my page. And I think that's the last one. Yep, that's the last one on that lesson. So we're making really good headway. I got one more lesson left and then I can go back to bed. Yay! So let me show you my homework here on lesson 10. No, this is lesson 11. So this is my lesson homework for lesson 11. And it introduced the concept of algebra, which is really awesome. I really like these books because they introduce things, but they don't call it big fancy words like algebra and things. They just have you solve it. And that's what algebra is. You just solve for x. And that's what this lesson here was talking about, solving for x. Wherever that one is. See there, you got 7 and blank are what? 7 and blank are 10. And you solve for x. That's all what this is. This is why I'm starting to really like arithmetic and mathematics, because you're actually solving for stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna let that go. And if you want to like, share, and subscribe, don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications. I'm gonna put the bell down and then I gotta stop the video.